Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change transmission fluid in a Jeep Liberty. First, gather all your tools, including a drain pan, wrench, and new fluid. Make sure your Jeep is on a level surface and securely supported with jack stands. Always refer to your owner's manual for the specific fluid type and the exact amount needed for your model. This ensures you use the correct product and fill it properly. Now, let's get to draining the old fluid. Locate your transmission pan, which is usually at the bottom of the transmission. Position a large drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready, as a substantial amount of fluid will begin to flow out. Allow it to drain completely to ensure you remove as much old fluid as possible.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music or get information hands-free. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once the fluid has drained, remove all the transmission pan bolts. Carefully lower the pan, as there might be residual fluid inside. Now, remove the old transmission filter and install a new, compatible one. Clean the transmission pan thoroughly, ensuring no debris remains. Install a new pan gasket, then carefully reattach the pan, tightening the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. With the pan and filter back in place, it's time to refill. Locate the transmission dipstick tube, which is where you'll add the new fluid. Use a clean funnel to slowly pour in the recommended amount of fresh transmission fluid. After adding, start the engine and let it warm up. Then, carefully check the fluid level using the dipstick, adding more if necessary until it reaches the correct mark.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.